Hi, hello all. I am Soumya. I am working as assistant professor in the Department of Artificial Intelligence and Data Science in the College of SNS College of Technology. Imagine you are analyzing the student performance. On one screen, you see the four mini line charts, each for a department, and it's a clear visual patterns. On another, you see a table showing how many passed or failed in each department. It's a precise numbers. These two views are called trellises and crosstabs. They are different, but both are essentials. Let's explore why it is important. First, let's we see what is trellis. Uh, One large complex chart breaks into multiple small charts. A trellis chart, also known as small multiple or facetated charts, breaks down one complex visual into a grid of smaller or similar charts. It's like watching a cricket match score split across the four screens, each showing a different player's performance, same format but grouped by player. Each chart shows the same variable, for example of marks for different groups, for example of departments. They use the same axis and style, so it's easy for your eyes to compare. Then Trellises characteristics and simple example. Show four small line charts for monthly sales in different regions. One chart per subgroup and consistent visual design and great for spotting the trends side by side. For example, if you want to see how monthly sales differ across four regions, you don't cram them into one messy chart. Instead, you make four neat line charts. That is a trellis concept. Then let's see when to use trellises and real use cases. Best when you want to compare the patterns across the categories, and the main variable, for example, of attendance is the same, but the group changes, that is departments. Real use cases, exam scores by department and city-wise rainfall, and next one is customer complaints by category. Next, let's see what is a crosstab. Transition from visuals to table view. Now let's shift gears. A crosstab, short for cross tabulation, is a table that summarizes how two or more categorical variables related here. It's like a mark sheet summary. Rows are departments, columns are pass or fail, and cells show student counts. Crosstabs helps your mind analyze. They deal with numbers, not the patterns. Then crosstab characteristics and simple example. Crosstab consists of rows, columns and cells, and rows consist of departments and columns consist of pass or fail and cells consist of number of students. And it's good for frequency, distribution and counts. It makes the relationship between variables clear and doesn't require a graph. You are not looking for trends here. You want the clarity, precision and insight into distributions. And then when to use the crosstabs and real use cases. Best when you need numeric summarizes and you are working with categorical comparisons. And real world examples here are male or female count by department and product ratings by category and patient count by disease and age group. Now we are going to compare the trellis and crosstab. And in trellis, the format consists of grid of small charts and crosstab consists of table of rows and columns. In trellis, we represent the data as visuals, that is trends and patterns. And in crosstab, numerical terms like counts and summarizes. And in trellis, our focus is our eyes, and it's used for visual comparisons. And in crosstab, our mind, it's used for logical comparisons. In trellis, best use case is trends over time across the categories, and in crosstab, relationship between two variables. And trellis is best used for visual storytelling, and crosstab is best for exact analysis. Trellis is like seeing the multiple photo albums arranged by event, and crosstab is like a ledger showing how many photos you took in each event. Now we are going to summarize this topic, and trellises help you to see, crosstabs helps you to count. One gives you visual clarity, the other gives you numeric certainty. When designing the dashboards or analysis reports in Tableau or Power BI or Excel, ask yourself, should I see the patterns or analyze the relationship? That will guide your choice. Thank you for your watching, and in your next visualization project, try creating both a trellis and a Tableau, and see the difference and understand the data, tell a better story. Thank you.